So here on the 4 hour, only if price forms an impulse to the upside and retraces correctively do probabilities move to the bulls, which is the green polyline. Up until that moment, your bearish scenarios actually have a higher probability, right? So we can't yet change the narrative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in green, corrective move down, cool. Interesting. We look for price to move up, swing longs become very interesting indeed. But you can also see that red, yellow, and blue all lead to another low below this low. So that remains a higher probability unless we get a 5-wave up and a 3-wave corrective move down, which we will cover. What you do see, however, is that in all of the scenarios on a 4-hour time frame, having a move to the upside to at least take out these local highs works. And that is then also what I talk about here in the local section. So the local probabilities, meaning this section over here. Locally, probabilities are higher to see a move up to take the local highs, meaning this double or even a triple top. After that, we have to take it from there. All the 4-hour scenarios can work with another leg towards the upside. The question is, how far does it go? What is the volume? What's the extension, right? What's going to be the move afterwards? Do we get a corrective wave 4 and another 5? Or is it a 3-wave structure and basically we go back down for a triangle, right? So that's just up for debate. We don't yet know. We'll have to wait and see and just observe a move forming. If price locally, right, for a bit more confidence, can touch 84.3k, the probabilities for the bulls increase further locally, meaning touch 84.3k, probabilities significantly increase further for price to take out the double top and then for price to hit some of the resistance levels that I'll show in a second. It would be nice, however, and this is just something that I am a big fan of, and if you've been here on the channel for a longer period of time, you know that my boxes, support and resistance areas, tend to be very, very nicely respected. At the moment, we just missed out on touching that support box down there, which is interesting. So that is why I write over here, it would be nice to see price actually touch support below before any significant moves and then observe the reaction and look for signs of strength in order to participate, or not if we do not see signs of strength and we just basically dump through support. Can happen. That's why we wait for signs of strength.